Srika, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog is about travel, and where we are traveling, we are going down south to Uti. Tomorrow morning is our flight और आज सैटरडे है, कल की फ्लाइट है एंड बहुत सारे काम चल रहे हैं, बहुत सारी मैडनेस चल रही है. यू कैन सी ऑल द तामझाम. बहुत सारा दिख भी नहीं रहा है बट यहाँ पे बहुत सारा तामझाम है बेड पे. उस तरफ on the couch there's a lot of tamjam and there are a lot of clothes which are there in the other room जो कि iron होने वाले हैं. पैकिंग करनी बाकी है यार सबसे इम्पोर्टेंटली. सो यस, शाम हो चुकी है ऑलरेडी, 5 बज रहे हैं और मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया है. इट इज़ अनलाइक मी. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. बहुत टाइम के बाद अब हम दोबारा से ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. लेट्स जस्ट गो एंड एंजॉय द वेकेशन. ऑल राइट, सो शक्ल से तो पता ही चल रहा है कि हम कहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं. सो वी हैव एक्चुअली रीच्ड कोयम्बटूर एंड वी आर ऑफ टू ऊटी राइट नाउ. It will take another 2 hours for us to reach Ooty. We've taken a stopover for having some food. It's a long journey. We started at 8 and it's 4:40 already. All of us are so sleepy. I can see dark under eyes. But yes, we have stopped here for some food. Once we are done with that, we will continue our journey for the balance way. So enjoy, because the journey coming up is going to be greener and mesmerizing. Alright, we have reached the hotel and we are in no mood of eating any food. And I did see a leopard today. The only idiotic thing that I did was that I could not take a footage. Neither I could take a picture because I was so mesmerized to see it right in front of me. It was right in front of our car. So I'm still in that zone. But we've reached the hotel room. We're all tired क्योंकि हम सुबह 8 बजे से निकले हुए हैं. But the day started at about 6:30. So yeah, that's where we are and off we go. See you tomorrow morning. Hello, Sistrika. Welcome to the next day. It's the bright, sunny morning day. I'm wearing my cardigans and sweaters and everybody else is wearing jacket. यहाँ का temperature 20 है. But still, evenings में ये और भी drop होता है. We are all set, ready to go, have a breakfast and set the sail for today. Alright, ये हमारा cottage है. And यहाँ से ऐसे खूबसूरत पहाड़ दिख रहे हैं. Alright, we are exiting the garden. Some clips that I have taken, not still a lot of photography or videography purposely, but yes, heading out to the next destination. Alright, we are in a restaurant finally. What's the time? It's 1:07. Heading for lunch, and then after that we're going to go to
don't know, somewhere. Tea plantation.
Okay, so
tea
after
factory.
there we are going to go to tea plantation and
Tea factory.
okay, tea factory and one thing he did say and zip line. So that's the only that are the only two things that are left now. पहले करेंगे पेट पूजे, बाकी करेंगे काम दूजा. So let's on. I'm sure as usual मैं भूल जाऊँगी, but फिर भी अगर मौका मिला तो मैं खाने की फुटेज ले लूँगी. As usual हम हमेशा भूल जाते हैं. So let's get on to that. Let's dig into food. Hello. So we're entering the tea factory. Tea plantation, tea factory. A lot, I think, is going on here. Off we go to the next destination, which is chocolate factory. What a disaster that was. I was expecting a chocolate factory to be a full-fledged factory, but it came out to be just 2 rooms with processing some chocolates. So, heading out. Okay, finally someone is doing something exciting, which is rare. He has got onto zipline. The day has come to an end where our boating has also been done and we have completed the Ooty sightseeing today. We all are exceptionally tired. Rehat is having his ice cream. Chandeep is attending his call. And I'm making a video. So yeah, we all are busy in some or the other thing. But I think it's time to go back. It's already 5:15 and we have had a bad experience last night, which was that we were riding back to the hotel and we found a cat, and we don't want to encounter that today, so we've decided that we will reach the hotel while it's still sunlight and it's not sunset yet. So yeah, all set to go and see you tomorrow morning.
हेलो फेलर्स. तो काफ़ी कन्फ्यूजन के बाद आज हम जा रहे हैं. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? सोन, वेयर आर यू गोइंग टुडे? कुन्नूर. बहुत कन्फ्यूजन के बाद आज हम जा रहे हैं कुन्नूर और वहाँ पे हम देखेंगे डैम. है ना?
Kunnur is not dam.
Kunnur is dam.
Paikra is dam.
Paikra. Where are we going? So what's the final thing?
Paikra.
Sorry, change in plan. So this is kind of a live confusion happening right on the video. So we are going to Paikra and there is a dam there. And then we are going to do boating, damn it. And we are going to see the waterfall, damn it. And that's it. It's just a long drive. We will drive through, we will come back and that's it. That will be evening. I'm super happy. मैं सुबह थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट करके आया हूँ और अभी हम अंडे खाने जाएंगे. This woman is ready.
I'm ready, yes.
I am ready. Let's go.
Heading to Pine Forest. That's what they call it here. Let's just see what do we have in it for us. All right, Sandeep, how's your trip going on?
I am a little tanned. Walking in the sun for the entire day. But it's nice. It's not something out of the world, but it's not bad. It's fine.
So you're liking it?
Yeah, beggars cannot be choosers.
So you're a beggar?
I don't get a choice.
Okay. Is that what you're saying? You don't have a choice?
Yeah. By that analogy, in this current situation, yes, I'm a beggar.
So you did not give a very clear-cut answer. Did you like the trip or not?
Is it one of my best trips? The answer is no.
Okay, thank you.
पानी डाल के अच्छे यार पैकिंग करने के लिए यार पैकिंग करने के बाद इधर 9 hours उधर पैक करने के लिए 9 hours उधर पैक करने को और एक पेपर में पाइप में स्टीम आ थोड़ा गरम उसमें स्टीम आने के टाइम उसमें कूलिंग वाटर ठंडा करना तो स्प्रिंग में ऑयल पानी दोनों लिक्विड आ रहा है पानी तो वजन ज़्यादा नीचे रहता है ऑयल तो वजन कम नहीं ऊपर आता है ये देखो नीचे देखिए तो पानी ये तो ऑयल ओरिजिनल तेल है ये काशी बुखार मेहंदी इसका ही है और इसका रेट में एक जॉइंट पेन के लिए जॉइंट पेन बैक पेन
Heading to strawberry plantation. Strawberry. Rehat, what is it? Strawberry?
Strawberry.
Oh, what is it?
Strawberry.
Oh, strawberry. It's not strawberry. Okay, heading to strawberry plantation. I think we can pluck also. I said strawberry.
You said strawberry again.
Kuch bhi strawberry.
Watch your own video.
Yeah. Okay.
Start again.
No, why?
These are full and full organic plantation only, no? In Nilagiri district, na total 8 farm is there. That one in forest area, vehicles not allowed. Here only visitors allow. That one same strawberry farm for avocado, peach, raspberry, blueberry farm also is there. That one full and full organic plantation. Organic na used for.
ऑलराइट एज यूजुअल हमारा फिर से पोपट हो गया है यहाँ पे कोई भी स्ट्रॉबेरी प्लकिंग नहीं थी इट वाज जस्ट दैट यू कैन सी हाउ द प्लांटेशन इज डन एंड देयर वर सम products available and you can buy those products which was wine with grapes, strawberry with grapes, some cosmetics and some makeup products made out of strawberry, but it was good. We had some dried fruits also, but you were not allowed to pluck strawberry because they were baby plants right now. So yeah, that's where we are heading to the next destination, which is Dolphin Peak something. So let's go and explore. Here we are at Dolphin Nose Point. It's quite misty here, by the way, quite cold, quite misty. Heading to some restaurant or some joint, let's see. But all of this that you see is tea plantation. All of it is tea plantation. Amazing view, misty, little bit cold, unlike Ooty. Hello, the day 3 has ended. Yes, मैंने intro बनाया नहीं था, but I was thinking that on the way I'll continue to do. But आज का दिन भी कुछ खास नहीं रहा. So my 2 cents on my trip to Ooty is that every hill station is like any other hill station for sure. Of course, यहाँ का temperature at night is amazing. In the daytime, it's too sunny. Overall, it was okayish. I would say I am not a very big fan of hill stations in any case. It wasn't too great, honestly. मतलब पता नहीं यार, मतलब मुझे मजा नहीं आया. Let me put it that way. So yes, the day has come to an end. The trip has come to an end. कहाँ गए हम? डॉल्फिन नोज पॉइंट गए. बहुत सुंदर व्यू पॉइंट था, no doubt about that. There was a waterfall as well. There were a lot of viewpoints actually. हम मतलब व्यू पॉइंट देख के हमारा व्यू पॉइंट ही खराब हो गया है. So that's where that's how it was. The best part about today's trip was that we did go to an army cantonment. It's called the Madras Cantonment or the Madras Regiment. That was amazing. Of course, they did tell how was it formed, when was it formed, what's the history of it, क्या क्या weapons, swords, क्या क्या वो लोग use करते हैं, and on top of it, what are the medals they have received over a period of time. That was amazing. I could not take footage at all because उन्होंने restricted किया हुआ था. They very clearly asked not to take photographs or make videos. But that was the best. Today was like that, and packing अब चालू करूँगी मैं because कुछ shopping तो ज़रूर करिए. Mostly chocolates. And some tea is what we have bought today, and some banana chips. We'll get the bags sorted. Signing off today from the vlog, and see you soon in the next one. Until then, please take care of yourself, and bye bye.
Oh my god. It is so freezing here. This is all ice. See that? Ooh, look at that.
You got blood?